Welcome to Capygram, ladies and gentlemen. New platform I just stumbled across, new project rather, and I learned they are giving some sign-up bonus when you register, so I'm here to explore. So it is said to be a next-generation social media platform that empowers users to make money, mine virtual currency tokens, join or create social networks, and have fun with friends. But before we get into the details, I'd like to get this disclaimer out of the way that this is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial expert, so you endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. So with that said, let's create an account. So on the registration page, you are to provide your first name, your last name, your email address, choose a username, choose a password. You find my invite code, don't touch it. Check the first box to agree to terms and conditions, eligibility, everything. You can just click on I agree to all. The next one is that you're over 13 years, and then you enter your birthday by providing a day, month, and year. And then you check the last one, are you actually human? You solve a captcha. Oh wow, this captcha is still ongoing. Press play on each sound, then select all that are good sounds. Okay, I've got my good sounds. All right, then you click on sign up. So you're being asked to enable push notification. All right, because of my screen recorder, it will not allow me to enable that for now, so I'll try again later. So you receive a code on your registered email address. So you go to your inbox, copy it, and you paste here, and you click on verify email. So that's done. Welcome to Capygram. Get started. Visit the mining app page site to claim your exclusive sign-up bonus. All right. So it says my bonus amount is this 128,000 tokens. All right, I have the option to install the app. My level is 1 of 20. All right, they have daily check-in. Let's do this. So I've checked in for 1 day and I've earned nothing. I will earn in 14 days 128 tokens per 14 strict day. Okay, let's do auto check-in. Oh, I need to buy free daily check-ins. Okay, get auto mining $2.8 per week for some token. I don't know we ever list. Open mining app. Your balance is 128. I'm mining already and I must install the app. But it's the start mining button. Let's tap on it. So we are mining. If you want to activate auto mining, you can do that here. With the current mining package, our mining session ends in 12 hours. Earn free crypto for life. Simply invite your friends and family and followers. How it works: earn 20% referral bonus every time your referral completes a mining cycle. So here you can copy your invite link and share. Okay, so I'm on level 1 of 28. I've checked in. So level 1. Let's click on home from the menu bar here. Copy mining, copy pets, copy food. Okay. Adopt a pet. 2 capybaras. What do we have here next? Good afternoon. Chat with the top AI models. Compare models. Blah blah blah. What do we have here? The dollar sign. Earn free passive income for life. Get paid to use social media. Copy link. Tell your friends, family, followers about Capybara. Earn 28%. How it works: invite your friends and family and followers to claim their free capygram.com account. Earn 28%. Participate in our social affiliate program and earn extra money by even referring existing Capygram members. There's a disclaimer here. All affiliate commissions are handled via the third-party affiliate network, affiliatepalace.com. They ultimately control payout thresholds, commission validation, and fraud prevention. Actual earnings here may be slightly different to the estimated earnings shown below. You must create an account via affiliatepalace.com and meet their criteria before receiving your earnings. Capygram does not fulfill any payments directly. Okay, noted. So, the affiliate palace is actually coming soon. If you have any questions, there's frequently asked questions here. How does affiliate commissions work? How much can I earn? What about the mining affiliate and all of that? You can find them right here. There's a settings button here. So what do we have here? Account auditing. Claim your 28,800 invite bonus. All right, so I'm currently mining, right? So guys, this is it. This is Capygram at a glance. They have different levels. I'm currently on the first level. They have up to 28 levels, right? So I do not own this project. I'm not in any way affiliated. I just stumbled across it and I'm sharing. That's why I stated my disclaimer at the beginning. So you endeavor to do your research and understand better. I'm not buying any package. I don't expect you to watch my video and go on and buy the package because you have someone to blame at the end of the day if things go south, right? Do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.